Like this could be your afternoon, evening clearing to allow your energy to clear from the day and to allow your energy to settle. Feet are about shoulder width apart. Let's do some shaking. We're going to do a gallbladder clearing, and we're going to finish with a very simple pulling down heaven. When you shake, you're on the center of your feet and your head is aligned. So your head is not bouncing and you are not bouncing on your feet. Your feet are flat. You're just bouncing, shaking through your body and feeling as everything is just letting go. If you feel tension, sometimes it's good to stop and start again. And then the more you get used to it, the more, especially shoulders and hips and stuff, will start to let go. Okay. But if you try to push through it, sometimes you just get more tense. Okay, good. Breathing is as it should be, meaning that you're in and out, do what feels good. Pause again and drop into it one more time. And again, I think of, I'm standing over a drain and I'm releasing out my fingertips, out my pores, anything that just doesn't need to be there. And it goes right into the drain and it's recycled, regenerated through the earth. Check in with your jaw. Make sure you're not holding your jaw. Make sure it's nice and relaxed. Good. And then just slowly come to a stop. Shake your legs out. Shake your arms out. And the gallbladder channel clearing, again, the gallbladder channel, side of the body, all the way down. I'm on the outsides of my knee and I'm coming out my fourth toe. I'm going to roll up my spine. And if you can, I'm going to go up on my toes and drop down on my heels. If you can't do that, you just don't go up on your toes. You just do that. Or if you're seated, you just do that. Very important that you roll up the spine. Let's go over the little details here. Fingertips into the earth. Gather from the earth. Make sure your legs are solid, okay? Reach into the earth. Gather from the earth. And now reach into the universe and gather that with the universe. And then bring that energy on the sides of your temples, behind your ears, the sides of your head, sweeping down the sides of your body, exhaling, coming down, sides of my legs, pulling out, moving through the channel like I'm just cleaning it out the fourth toe, inhaling as I roll up and exhaling as I go out. Okay, so we're going to do that again. Do it at your own pace. Healing energy from the earth. Healing energy from the universe. Sweep side temple, behind the ears, sides of head, down the sides of the neck, down the sides of the body. Exhaling down. We're going to do 2 more, just so you get the hang of it. Remember, you're taking the energy and you're bringing it inside your body, and that energy is clearing and sweeping through the gallbladder channels, one on each side. Out the fourth toe, into the earth. Good. Last time. Feel the earth. Universal energy. When you're ready, inhale, sweep. You're gathering down, rolling through, rolling up, inhaling, and throw it out. Just do 1 set of pulling down heaven, inhaling, and just washing and clearing, exhaling, letting go at your own pace. And you're just going to do this 2 more times. Pause in between, take a full breath, make sure you're fully settled. And then begin again. And last one, and make sure your hands are facing straight down. Your palms are facing straight down to the earth as you exhale and move down and wash your energy fields. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come back to center. Finish by placing your hands on your belly and just settling for a moment. Breathing, checking in with yourself. And then you would go slowly back into whatever you were going to be doing, keeping this feeling of letting go. And you can do that as many times during your day that you need to. And again, really great to do at the end of your day or also even before bed because it's very grounding.